Shot Reyes. Congratulations, Coach Shot. It was a hard-fought win in time and showing a lot of fight, especially in the last stretch. What was the key to closing out this game, given the concern on the third quarter?
Well, we gave ourselves a chance to defend because even if we were missing shots, at least we were not turning the ball over. And when we forced Titan into a half-court set, then we have better chances of defending them. And I think that's the story of the last quarter. In the first three quarters, we kept throwing the ball away, leading to Titan. I think the number one in the league in fast break points. So when you turn the ball over, that really feeds into the game. So in the fourth quarter, we took better care of the ball and we prevented them from getting out into the run.
Thank you, Coach Shot. Now we would like to open the floor to our friends from the press.
Coach, yung pagkaka-thrown out ni Calvin Octana, anong naging effect sa team and how you're able to adjust?
Just next man up. Glenn and I thought Kevin played a really good game. I thought we also got good minutes, few minutes good production from Kim Maureen. So that's just the story of this game. Roger Pugoy was off his game, but he made up for it with his defense on Monson. And we had to rely on the scoring of Holt to make up for the absence of our gunners, Calvin, Jordan Henning, and Roger Pugoy, who was off his game. And that's why it was Paul who had to pick up the bulk of the scoring for us.
Coach, on the positive side is your third straight win and is your momentum growing to the final weeks of the eliminations?
Yeah, but it was 3 wins against the 3 very tough wins. And we still have to play Magnolia, Converge, and Ginebra. So we really have to find a way to raise our game, elevate our level. Otherwise, we're going to have a very difficult time against those 3 teams, including Phoenix. Phoenix is playing so well. So we have a tough stretch these last 4 games. And I don't think the kind of game that we played in the last 3 games is going to get better. We really have to get better.
Coach, is it a concern na parang some of your locals, especially kaninang first quarters, relying more on ball carrying?
Well, that's the problem when you have a super import, an import who can score at will. The locals have a tendency to watch you, and that's not good for us. We keep trying to find that balance, but like I said, for this game without Roger, without Jordan, Henning, and Calvin, then he had to step up. But that should not be the way our game goes. We should be able to get better scoring from a lot more people.
What's the Jordan?
He sprayed an ankle. So, medyo nakakasabay na siya sa practice, pero hindi pa full workout. So we said we would rather reserve him for the future games. And we almost regretted it because we didn't, who would expect that we lose Calvin, right?
Coach, on the writer notes, si Dulvin, nasa exercise siya, anong lang yun, para kay Paul?
Well, I think that inspires Paul. I thought he played a hell of a game again. First half pa lang yata, 20 na siya, di ba? So, I think that's largely because he knew that the president of his federation was there watching.
Did you get a chance to talk to Dulvin?
Di pa. Pero katabi ni Jonas, tatanong ko kung anong mga chismis ko.
So ngayon lang yung nakita siya?
Yeah, well, I've met him already before sa World Cup.
Sa World
Hindi ko
Cup.
siya ng World Cup, di ba? So, even before, saan ba ako? Nung nag-break yung Dila sa Miami, with Andre Blanch on our way to the World Cup, in the hotel that we were staying, yung din sa Stacy sa Miami, and he was working out there. Shooting siya, at nag-wait siya doon, so nakakasabay namin siya. So I met him, I'm sure, di na niya ako maalala, but nangingin na siya.
That note, congratulations.
Thank you, thank
Thank
you.
you, Coach. Thank you.
Thank you.